Yes guys, hello again guys, and good day and welcome back to Sea Life Jamaica guys. Welcome back to the family with another adventure time, you see me? Yeah man, hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And right now guys, I'm back here with another cooking adventure, you see me? Yeah man, so last night me go catch some crab guys. Me and Micah, woman, brother, you see me? Yeah man, so 4 hours we go last night guys. Me never make no intro when me I go do the video guys, but anyway, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys what I go on, you see me? Yeah man, so I go on guys, see crab them I want catch last night. Yeah man, so the crab them this one I catch last night. Yeah, so nice one guys, you know? Yeah man, so what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna do a quick cook up, you see me? Yeah man, and see the ingredients them here what I have. I have some scallion, scotch bonnet pepper, pepper garlic, and Maggi soup it up. You see me, I try get a all-purpose Maggi seasoning to fit through in the pot to give it some more flavor, but couldn't get it only a chicken Maggi they have, so I'm gonna get one, you see me? Yeah man, and I have some salt to same way guys. Don't can't the cook crab and not have salt. So what I'm gonna do now guys, I'm going to get the fire ready, so just stay tuned for that. And what I'm gonna do guys as well, meantime I get the fire ready, I'm gonna run back on a few of the clip them what happened last night, show you guys when we are catch the crab them, so just stay tuned to that. I'm going to get the fire light right now too as well. So what happened here guys, I see 2 crab I try to go in a one hole. So what I do guys, I stuck one of them with my foot and use the stick and hold on the other one and take him up. Few minutes after I call Micah to come and help me to take out the other one that was inside the hole. I have one also one stuck with my foot. When I come put his stick back on my foot. Back on my foot. I have his skill, isn't it?
on with you. See there. This is my bucket. Full bucket of crab. Sea life bucket one. As far as I know, you can see.
Yes guys, so I just give the crab them one quick wash off, you see me? Yeah man. So they look pretty. Also wash out that pot and put it on, you see me? And that me go and cookie crab them, you know. You see me? As soon as the pot start boil up, me start season up the pot and start adding the crab, you see me? Yes guys, so I just wash the few pepper them and scallion and the garlic. Going to add it in the pot now, you see me? Pot start boil up, ready for the crab them. So I'm not even going to itch to, you know guys. Yeah man, what I'm going to do? I'm going to get ready for adding the crab them right now. Go to them.
Take a shot in back. Take a shot in back. Take a shot in.
So I'm washing it now.
Take a shot in.
Excuse me, excuse.
Daddy! I'm back!
No causing no fire anyway.
not, you have to come by. You have to come by.
See the rest of the black. Yes guys, so as you guys can see, me did have to change the pot, you see me? So the whole of the crab them can hold in the pot. Yeah man. So I'm going to there now. And I already add some salt in the pot now guys. I'm going to add in the Maggi soup it up, you see me? And one chicken. One chicken season, you see me, as I said before. But right now that come like nothing, you know, still in guys, you see me? Yeah man, the last night man. Yes guys, so I'm going to give the crab them about 20 minutes to 25 minutes to cook. They already on the fire about 10 minutes now, you see me? Yes guys, so I'm going to there now. Going to take off the crab them and show off the water off it and show you guys what go on, you know. Yeah man, the crab them done cook now guys, it's time to eat, you know. Yeah guys, so just stay tuned for that. Yes guys, so see it there, just show off the water off of the crab them, you know. Give you guys a next quick look what the crab them really look like, you know. Yeah man, about 14 crab guys. piece of Vicky Marco on. Come. Come, mom said to give a crab. And crab.
No.
Come. Come on, man. I need to eat you. Yeah, go on if you don't want to. Go on. Yes, guys, so if you guys make it this far, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys, and until next time, see you guys in my next video. Peace, I'm out.